Perfection doesn't happen by chance. It is forged, machined, and painted in silence. Welcome to the heart of Maranello. Inside one of the world's most legendary and technologically advanced factories, the future of automotive.
This is the Ferrari E building, a zero-emission sanctuary where man is absent.
Raw materials arrive in darkness and are greeted only by the precise, unyielding logic of robotics. Aluminum alloy, the elemental canvas for a prancing horse, unloaded and sorted by autonomous cranes with micron-level accuracy. Before a single cut is made, lasers map the terrain, ensuring every sheet meets the exacting standards of Scuderia Ferrari.
The journey from raw material to rolling sculpture begins with this first silent flight.
Here, in the blanking cell, the metal is about to taste fire. Precision laser cutting shapes the future skin of a supercar.
Powered by high-energy fiber optics, these lasers carve through solid aluminum with the delicacy of a surgeon and the speed of a lightning strike.
The scrap skeleton falls away, leaving behind the embryonic form of a Ferrari door, hood, or fender.
Flawless geometry, zero waste. These panels now await the forge and the press. Deep within the mechanical heart of the factory, solid blocks of aerospace-grade aluminum are sculpted into high-performance engine architecture, a symphony of carbide and coolant. These computer-controlled sculptors operate for hours without pause to create a single-cylinder head. The result is not just an engine block. It is the skeleton of a predator, clean, precise, and awaiting its pistons.
Simultaneously, the backbone of the vehicle, the space frame chassis, begins its silent voyage down the assembly spine.
Geometry is everything. To achieve Ferrari's legendary handling, the frame must be accurate to within the width of a human hair. The connection is forged in fire. Robotic welders, with unwavering precision, bond the aluminum skeleton. There is no hesitation, no fatigue. Just a relentless, automated dance of high-voltage fusion. Immediately, laser scanners perform a digital autopsy on every weld. Strength, depth, and angle are verified instantly.
Different components of the aluminum puzzle arrive from above and below, meeting in mid-air with clockwork precision.
The bare frame emerges, lightweight yet incredibly rigid. It is the blank canvas.
Now, the skin is applied. Aluminum panels, shaped by immense hydraulic pressure, are brought to the waiting skeleton.
Vision systems with millions of data points guide the robot's arm. The fit must be perfect before the first bolt is tightened.
Automated torque wrenches secure the panel with precisely calculated force. Too tight, it damages the metal. Too loose, it creates noise. Perfection is the only setting.
The iconic Ferrari hood, a vast expanse of aluminum, settles into place, defining the aggressive aerodynamic profile of the car to come. The body in white, a perfect shell of silver geometry. It is now ready to shed its industrial skin and don the color of passion. Before color comes clarity. Robotic sanders smooth the surface to an optical finish, removing every microscopic imperfection invisible to the human eye. The difference between a good paint job and a Ferrari paint job lies in this invisible layer of preparation.
Static electricity is banished. A single speck of dust would be a scar on the mirror finish to come.
Electrostatic primer clings to the metal like a magnetic shield, creating the foundation for the legendary depth of Ferrari color.
And then, Rosso Corsa. More than a color, it is the bloodline of Maranello, applied by robotic masters in a controlled haze of passion. Layer upon layer of pigment and clear coat build a depth that seems to hold the light captive.
In this state, the paint is liquid glass. It is the most vulnerable and most beautiful moment of the entire manufacturing process.
Now, the fire. High-temperature curing ovens bake the finish, cross-linking the polymers into a shield of indestructible gloss.
Born from the heat, the Ferrari emerges. The transformation from raw aluminum to rolling ruby is complete.
Scanned and approved. The paint is flawless. Now, the heart must be implanted.
In a process known internally as the marriage, the soul of the vehicle descends to meet its body.
The V8, or the mighty V12, is not simply installed, It is threaded into the chassis like a jewel into a watch.
The transmission. A labyrinth of gears and shafts designed to harness and deliver fury to the pavement.
Bolts are driven home in a specific algorithmic sequence, ensuring perfect alignment and sealing of the drivetrain. The voice of the Ferrari is crafted here. Precision-welded stainless steel exhausts, tuned to produce the unmistakable Maranello symphony.
Lifeblood. Synthetic oils and specialized coolants are measured to the exact milliliter by automated dispensers.
Carbon ceramic brakes, technology derived directly from Formula One. These rotors can withstand temperatures that would melt lesser metals.
The signature caliper, an anchor of stopping power, dressed in the colors of the Scuderia.
Suspension geometry is set by laser-guided jigs. There is no eyeballing here, only physics and data.
The final torque on the hub is applied with a force that vibrates through the very concrete floor. The nervous system of the supercar. Miles of cabling that will carry millions of data signals per second. Every sensor, every actuator, every heartbeat of the engine is connected to the central computer brain.
A carbon fiber drive shaft. Light as a feather, strong as steel. It spins with virtually zero inertia loss.
Gold foil heat shielding protects the cabin and critical components from the inferno of the engine bay.
The engine bay is sealed. The mechanical symphony is now hidden, waiting to be unleashed only by the right foot of its future owner.
While the outside is built by fire, the inside is built by touch. Automated systems handle
The alignment of the shield on the dashboard is non-negotiable. It must be exactly perpendicular to the driver's line of sight. Carbon fiber components are installed with geometric precision, ensuring the weave flows seamlessly across the cabin architecture.
The command center, the steering wheel, the Manettino dial. The link between man and machine is installed by a machine.
The red button, the promise of thunder. All that remains is to connect it.
The seats, sculpted for support, trimmed in leather, are lowered into the cockpit without ever touching the painted door sill.
Secured from below, the seating position is locked. The perfect driving position, calculated by computers, is now physical reality.
The eyes of the car. The complex curvature of the Ferrari windshield requires absolute stability during placement.
A continuous bead of aerospace-grade adhesive is laid down. One break in the seal, and the car would whistle at speed.
The glass melds with the aluminum. The cabin is now sealed, an airtight pod of luxury separated from the world outside. Meanwhile, in the wheel assembly cell, the footwear of the Ferrari is being prepared.
Specially developed Pirelli rubber meets Ferrari alloy. The bond is explosive and immediate.
Balanced to perfection. At 200 miles per hour, even a gram of imbalance would be catastrophic. Here, it is eliminated.
The wheel meets the hub. The yellow caliper peeks through, a subtle reminder of the stopping power hidden within.
The final touch. The prancing horse centers the wheel. The car is now standing on its own feet.
Spaced and placed with mathematical precision. It is the signature on the masterpiece.
Monsoon testing. Every seal, every grommet, every piece of glass is challenged by a simulated tropical storm. The digital eye misses nothing. Paint thickness, panel gap, clear coat depth. The data must match the design file exactly. Awakened for the first time, the wheels turn under their own electric power, simulating the open road while still inside the factory walls.
Approved. Ready for delivery. The factory's work is done. The legend is now ready for the road.
Here, under the quiet glow of showroom lights, they wait. Automobiles that have transcended transportation to become objects of desire.
Rosso Corsa, the quintessential hue of Italian racing heritage. Giallo Modena, the color of the city of Modena, a vibrant tribute to the home of Enzo Ferrari.
Nero. Stealth and aggression. A shadow that moves faster than light.
the Scuderia Ferrari shield. It is not a logo. It is a badge of honor earned on racetracks around the world for over 7 decades.
The doors of Maranello open. The journey from a coil of raw aluminum to this moment is complete.
It moves under its own power now, guided by automated systems toward the waiting transport.
From this moment on, it belongs to the road, to the curves of the Pacific Coast Highway, the straits of the Autobahn.
A Ferrari is not merely built. It is engineered, forged, and curated. A symphony of automation and precision.
Is the art of the supercar. This is how legends are born, in silence.
If you enjoyed this journey inside the silent world of automotive perfection, show your support. Hit the like button.